Bros, I beg, bros, wait. I beg, wait, I beg. I just dey come from Warri. My name is Felix. My phone don't die. I beg, I share if you borrow your phone, make I call my guy.
This Lagos, you sure?
I no go run, I swear. You feel my back safe.
Hold waiting, you when you look at Yahoo boy.
If I be Yahoo boy, I go dey follow you waka for road. Thank you. You didn't leave your phone come out.
Keep waiting. You know what they calculate? Baba, do what you want to make they go.
Bros, you no get credit now. You no even get card.
Card no dey there.
Can't they give me your phone? Wetin I want use am do if you no get card?
But we no get money. You dey talk to me.
At least I get card. You no get card. My phone don't die. My phone don't die.
You go explain tire. Get back well.
My phone don't die. Oh, no be say me I get credit. You no get. So that's what Lagos boys they do. They don't even get credit for phone. Try.
The number you are trying to call is currently not reachable.
I don't understand why you're still with Smarto. I don't understand why you would think someone who hurts you so much truly loves you. I think it's time you break up this thing you call a relationship that has brought you nothing but pain and disappointment. Ugh.
Hey, baby. Yo, who's that?
Smart. Just like the blessings of an angel. May whatever eyes behold this beauty be granted their heart desires.
No. Hey. Bye, baby. See ya.
Smart. So you never change.
Okay. Wait, if you think say you still dey school, they do stand-up poetry.
Oga, how you do? Now your place with this?
Oh, my place for this stuff.
Oh, smart. I don't miss you, man. I don't miss you. Bye, bro.
When you carry you come Lagos, be like say that oracle they disturb you for that side.
I better leave that man, Jerry. He don't start in Wahala. I just leave house for him. I don't tire. I don't do again.
See that oracle, you know if he follow you come Lagos. Yeah, it's too noisy for the man. You know go fit survive.
Eh?
How you doing now?
Oh, I did okay. Bro, your place nice, oh.
They try now.
So now, so you dey leave. You no come me since.
Okay, wait, you want up? Just give me 2 seconds.
Oh yeah, now. Smart. Now you be this. Wow, this boy is doing well. Hey, smart ways. Oh, hope say no be because of me you go bring this thing.
You know go shy.
I don't change you.
You know go
I'm
shy,
not that
okay.
man you used to know.
See.
I'm a changed person now.
I know you. You know go drink.
See, I just dey drink this thing because now waiting you offer me. Oh, first time where they come your house. No be like say I won't drink am. No be like say I don't come back. Oh.
You know go drink up.
I'll miss you.
Oh, good to see you, bro.
I swear.
Let's see, carry for here. This
And I don't small clothes, so nothing did there. Now you supposed to give me something. As it they be like this. Now you supposed
I
to
don't
go
first
find
give
me.
you. Start with this one first.
Beautiful, isn't it? What do the white men call it? Was it love monkeys? Or love fowls?
Lovebirds or lovers.
Right. Lovebirds. Ah, this place is so beautiful. You know, if I could get to watch this kind of thing every day, I don't think I'll ever need to go to the cinema. You come here alone often?
Well, sometimes sorry.
Hey, come here. Have a nice night. Let's go.
Okay. So is this the reason why you're not taking my calls anymore?
Babe, what are you doing here?
Oh, don't worry, don't be scared. I'm not here to spoil things for you. Okay, I'm not that kind of girl.
Listen, it's not what it seems, all right? It's not exactly what you assume it is.
Oh, really? It is not what it seems. Even after that award-winning kiss I just witnessed.
What? No, definitely we didn't kiss.
Oh, so what then do you now call two lips caressing each other?
Two, baby, I was only trying to,
The lipstick she's wearing. I guess.
Christ. I should have known it was you all along.
It wasn't me. It was you. I was just after the peace of mind and happiness of my friend here.
Hold on, Smart. So is that what you really want?
Is that even a question? It's a fact. He is just living up to his name. Smart.
Baby, do not let her make you do what you don't want to do.
Just like how you've been trying to treat me like trash all this while, right?
Come on, babe, why would you talk
You
like...
know what? Good luck with your entanglement.
Hey, if I was her, I'll be very impatient by now. Good luck, smarty pants. Wait up!
Smart, now you be that. Smart. How you take no say we got something to celebrate? How you know?
Tell me now, why you just smile like say you win lot?
Come on, girl. You need to turn that frown upside down. And be happy. And celebrate, just like I am for you. Come on. Yeah.
I'm okay, don't worry, I'm fine.
I see one hot babe. We be like fresh loaf of bread. Bro, you see this girl? It's be like say she dropped from heaven. She fine.
Drink this.
Okay, thank you.
You need to relax. You need to celebrate and be happy that you finally left that your boring and depressing relationship.
You know, I really loved him.
Keyword loved. That was so in the past. Not like he even did anything to deserve it anyway.
Okay, tell me. So what's her name?
My village people. Smart.
Smart. Who you tell say I dey come here? Jesus. My village people smart. I don't ask her my name. Jesus. I don't even know where she dey stay. God, I be fool. God. Come my village people. Why they know? Smart, who you tell? Who you tell say I dey come visit you?
So we make her understand. You see girl outside. You know ask her my name. You come house. You go inside. You sit down, you dey smile like mumu. I'm on true, eh? Your village people.
You know this Lagos. I go find am. Smart, I go find am. She be na me. I go find am. She fit go that beach. She fit go there again. I go find am for there.
Shall I remember say na hustle you come Lagos, come hustle.
No fit forget that one.
No be babe, you come find.
No fit forget that one. No dey talk like this, ah.
Good.
But if I just fit catch this babe, if I fit make her my babe, bro, I don't win. I don't win for life. I just get the money we go follow join. I just catch her. Understand? You won't bring this my drink. You know follow bring cup come from me. You don't know see idea house. Nigga, make I help you. So you don't turn bad boy, they follow me drink this thing.
This whole experience, has just been so crazy. This is just...
Yeah, tell me about it. Look, just be yourself and do your thing like you've always wanted. Happiness will definitely find you again. And besides, your dad is coming back from his business trip from the UK next week. You know how he likes to spoil you and treat you like a queen. Shopping spree and all that. You'll be fine, you'll see. I promise.
She person we get work. Those suppose don't go bath by now, they go office.
Bro, this one where you wear your Christmas clothes, still had am shade on top. We no discuss about finding job or something like that.
You feel am? They feel the swag. I just want to walk around, check one or two, make I see how this area take be.
Okay, waka well. Wait. Na lie. No tell me say na that girl wey dey go find.
But yeah, you don't catch me.
Help yourself now. Help yourself. You think say that girl dey jobless? The person wey dey go find go down the office now, dey work, dey hustle her daily pay. You just dey waka, dey find woman wey no find you.
What about those ones we get work, but they too lazy, they press phone for early momo, like say they be picking. Instead of them, they go bath, go their work.
Bro,
what about those ones now?
no go dey look me up. You don't tell where I come Lagos now. You
Who call your name now? I call your name. You see I'm guilty conscious. I don't call your name. Oh. You did do it you follow join the press phone. They do now.
Well, happy searching. You search, you go find. Really.
Alpha, you did find something?
Yeah. I just before you came, I mistakenly threw away something here, and I really need it.
I don't already disposed that one now.
Ah,
When I came, it was too messy. That's why I threw it away now. Did you throw away something important?
excuse me. I like really need it now.
Omo, you don't go, Otilo. Well, how important is it now? Why did you throw it away if it's important? Smart! Where's all the alcohol now?
So, the lack of alcohol fit make proper English come off from that your pigeon customized mouth, eh?
Smart, this is not a joking matter. Look now, 3 bottles, only you. You didn't even keep half for me. Or quarter.
Maybe when you start working, like actual real work, you'll be able to afford it whenever you need it. Like in times like this. Huh?
I know to my father, and to you, and to the rest of the world, I act like a fool. But I know what I want for myself. I know my purpose in life. I know who I am.
I'll be you. I know you too. I know you. You're the guy who writes his ass off to be read by only himself. Stuck half the time in your library. You want to make a living in this country from writing when people don't read any other thing except newspapers. So you see, my friend, I know you. I be get where else will you remain.
Why are you here? One contact make I go find job, abi. No stress. I go.
I'm sorry about last night. I shouldn't have said those things.
You didn't lie. You just said my life as it is. Same thing my father has been saying all.
No, I was wrong. I just let some trivial issues get to me. Issues that are not even worth my peace of mind.
Where did you see this one? This is the reason that we fought last night now.
Well, guy, your papa don't try make you find better job so that your life go better. Him no succeed. Now me go come succeed. At least live your life for your mama. We still believe in you. And she self they pray for you. Mama, I need to come out.
This one where you dey go work early. I feel like say today na good day. Oh.
That is exactly the plan. I came back this morning.
Oh my God, what a surprise, Daddy. Oh my God, so good to see you. Welcome back.
You too. Baby girl.
God, Dad. I missed you. You should have called me. You should have said something.
No. That wasn't part of the plan.
Oh.
No.
Okay, you know what? Now that you're here, let me just quickly rush to the kitchen and ruffle up something for you to eat, okay?
Okay.
I don't understand, Daddy.
Rush to the kitchen. What did
you do? You shouldn't have done this.
Why, I did it anyway.
Oh my God. My favorite. Yeah. Oh my God, Daddy, thank you so much. Thank you. Mwah. Thank you, Daddy.
I'm glad you love it.
Oh my goodness. Oh, Daddy. Wow.
Do you know what? I make sure due process was followed to make sure I put a smile, a happy one for that matter, on your face.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, my little angel.
Daddy, I really miss you, honestly.
I miss you too.
I've just been going through some upset moments in your absence.
I'm so sorry.
I'm so glad to see
You
you.
need food, then you can always do the whole gist.
All right.
Yes.
I'll wash my hands first. You taught me how to have peace of mind in a place like this.
This was where we first met. Your mom and I. It was a sunny day like this, and we were just actually playing around, beach soccer.
Okay.
And unfortunately, I hit your mom with the ball.
Oh.
That was the first time I set my eyes on your mom. God guide her path to the other world.
Amen. But I'm sure that this place has changed immensely compared to then, right?
Sure, it has. And in a few years to come, it will still change. Still change for what we're seeing now. But cherished memories never changes or disappears.
That's true. I remember last Valentine's, we all spent it together. You, Mom, and me.
The best of my life.
It felt like a live movie. I just felt like I was in the cinemas watching two lovebirds.
You know what? I wish there is something I could exchange in this world for your mother to come back to us.
And Daddy, how I wish you could just give love a chance again. Yes. Just try to find somebody else so that you'll be able to relive those memories again.
This memory is never hold or die. It's alive in my heart. It's just like the Lord's Prayer or the grace of God that is renewed every morning. Yeah. The only thing I'm praying to God for, one thing I wish for now, is for you to get that best man with whom you can create lovely memories.
I love you, Dad.
I love you, little angel. You know what? All these things, this is not my thing. It's not my thing. Honestly.
Okay.
You know what?
What do we do?
Why can't we actually go to the restaurants and get our favorite meal and just devour it? I'm famished already.
Let's go.
This is not actually going down.
I
It's not going
support you 100%.
down. Okay.
Let's go. All right, Daddy. You good?
Take it easy on your smart babe.
Oh my God, smart. I know it's your house, but use your room now.
Take me to paradise.
Oh,
See?
wow. Thank God we found it.
See?
It contains some recently gotten contacts that have not actually been free to save on my phone.
I told you that it was going to be. I told you that we left it here, didn't I?
You never doubted your instincts. How come I was so careless?
Come on, Dad. Listen. Anyone could have easily forgotten it, okay? Especially after we had those meaningful conversations.
Okay, it's time for us to start heading back home.
I'm not gonna lie, this food good. Wasabi.
I don't tell you. I told you. These guys, they have the best African dish. But I thought I was just bragging. Now you don't confirm them by yourself, Abi.
They have the best African dish. All the babes, they come in house every weekend. You cannot tell one of them to enter kitchen and cook this thing. My brother, I'm crying for you.
See, I used to have one, but the thing is, you didn't meet her before the love train stopped moving.
Before the love train stops moving. That sounds like a line from my poem. Broken.
I don't know.
I beg, Chief Jerry. So what happened? Why did the love train stop moving?
Well, it's in the past, and really it's not something that I want to talk about.
I beg, talk, Jerry. What happened?
Well, if you insist, someone didn't want the train to get to its destination.
Now you sound like a poet.
Am I? No, that's bad influence. Nah.
Really? So this someone, who was he or she or it?
It was her friend. The monster that she called her best friend.
Well, if I was on that love train, maybe by now I would learn to accept responsibilities for the things that happen and make my train stop moving and not blame others. You know what I mean?
So tell me exactly, what are you trying? Yeah, maybe you're right. I should start taking responsibility.
What are you doing?
I'm actually taking responsibility now, and I'm not trying to get angry. And it's a good thing that I paid for the food even before we started eating, because... See you later. Ciao. Yeah. How are you? Yeah, I'm sorry for intruding on your space. Actually, you should try the African dish. It's really good. No, I think. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. What? Is this how you have sex in this mood? If you know you weren't ready, why did you make me come here?
I never wanted this, but I need the money anyways.
You need what money? What man is going to pay you when you've not fulfilled your own end of the bargain? It's simple. You satisfy me and then I pay you.
Sorry, what book are you reading?
Ima, it's a poetry book by Samuel Igwe Michael. It's very beautiful.
I bet it is. I'll check it out, thanks.
So I don't want to join you.
Sure, I don't mind. I'm Felix, by the way.
I'm Theodora.
Nice to meet you, Theo.
Thank you.
Though I endure through these dark nights, with hope to live the morning after it never comes, with the bed I lie upon, stony and cranky to my back.
That's why I have no choice than to sit here like a log of wood and watch you do what you do. So I can get the money I need for my mother's medication and surgery. She needs the money more than I do.
What do you mean?
So my mother, she's in the hospital. And she has a kidney disease. So I need all the money I can get for her transplant, and that's why I'm doing this.
Sorry. So I guess you're doing this just to be able to raise money for her surgery?
I'm not going to let the only person that I love die simply because we don't have anybody else to help us. I have to do something.
Sometimes you'd wish to be taken back to yesterday, when you had your peace without no cost. The wind travels in directions of your favors, earth swallowing whatever hindrance there might ever be in your walks. You march without caution, having no reason to look over your shoulders when you run. In memory of then, you smile now, and a tear trickles down your cheek, for you wish, if then was now. I wrote that. What do you think?
Okay, so I feel maybe you're talking about your past.
Right, yeah.
When you were you don't have nothing more because your parents take over.
Yeah. I'm so glad you understood that. Up top. Theo. It was nice reading with you. I would definitely check this out. Thanks for putting me on. But I've got to go now, yeah? Take care. Hi.
Hi. I was watching you from a distance with my friend.
Your friend? I don't see anybody.
Oh yeah, she stepped out with another friend.
Oh, okay.
It seems like you had a great time with her. Guessing from the way she's smiling.
On the contrary, I had a great time reading with her. I mean, it's not every day you meet a kid interested in poetry. It was like a breath of fresh air. I had fun. I wish I could do it again.
You wish.
Oh, sorry, is she your sister or something?
She's my niece.
Ah.
Just don't mind the firecracker.
Oh, I'm Felix, by the way. Well, you can call me Smooth Talker.
Oh, okay. And I'm Chloe. You can call me Happy Girl.
All right, happy girl. Okay, I guess I'll catch you around.
Okay.
Call me or call me.
But you didn't touch me.
It's fine, just for your time and for your mom.
Thank you. 04 17 45.
You're so fine, Uncle. Now you like poetry. How about this guy? Is fine. He's a great guy.
Okay. What was that? Like, what were you staring at with all smiles on your face like that?
I wish you had met him.
Met who? I can't see him. What about him?
He is caring, he is grateful, and he is subtle. exactly the kind of man that I have dreamt for my friend to have.
See you, my darling. You amaze me. Why don't you go for him?
Hello.
See, please, let's go to the movies, okay? Come on,
Right.
let's go. It's time. Let's go. Chop chop.
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Don't forget your poetry book.
All right. Okay.
Alpha, oh my guy. Alpha, you don't go. Alpha now. I did, but this one way your vibe just dey down like this. Like say if you overwrite plantain with the one fry, shey the babe no fit bend. He owe you no fit bend that babe. I yellow babe. You know say e no possible now. Nothing of that sort happen. So why your vibe dey like this? Nothing happen. I feel like say I no hear you well. You think say na me you go dey lie for? Like say I be my popsy, where you go dey lie, he come dey believe say you dey more responsible pass me.
But they're responsible pass you.
For where?
As if to say you're not responsible at all.
Wetin that one mean?
You're responsible at all.
As in how?
And when you dey explain myself, they give you start responsible. You're responsible.
Na because of my dress, ba? Na because of this hair. You know say if I don't cut this hair, I be tech bro. Serious tech bro.
Thank you so much for the other thing. Well, at least you got air to breathe today. My dear, God is helping me at least. But then I still have like 3 months of hustle to be able to raise some money. I'm free like now. Else later I'll have to go to the hospital to visit my mom. Okay. Alright. I'll send you that. Alright. Thanks.
Auntie, who was that?
It's nobody. Nobody.
What hospital visit are you paying later today?
My dear, forget that you're on Alamba. I'm just pressing one button. Press one
Hey, Amara. Yeah, tell us the new scoop.
Oh, calm down. When the thing is cooked and properly brought down from the pot.
All of us they find this money, so tell us.
Okay. So the story goes like this. The story goes like nothing. Leave it. It's special, specials.
How far now, bro? You dey come out? You won't follow me come out? No. You do your thing. How far I live? Go check. Just go check food. Check the cupboard. I don't check everywhere. You get soup over. So we don't finish. Just get out. I don't know what I'll be running to transfer. My G! Oh, don't go send her, my God! I trust it. When I say I will give. Now when I come back. Just transfer now, I go buy him. No, transfer, make I go buy him. But you say anything about talking. Transfer, get out. You know me now, baby? My boss!
So, I guess I made it in time.
I wish I had you on time. I mean, you're the only person that seemed to care about me and my mother.
I mean, we're only just humans. And we need each other one way or the other. So yeah, I'll always be here. So tell me,
Hey, Felix.
Yeah, happy girl. How are you doing? It's so good to see you.
I'm fine. Like,
You look good.
you look good. do you shop here?
Yeah, I just came to get a couple of stuff for the house.
Oh, okay. I
It's good to
shop
see
here
you.
too. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I want you to meet a friend of mine.
This is your
Please.
friend. Where is she?
Oh, she's inside.
Oh, okay.
what are your plans?
My major plan is just to see her being operated on. I mean, once the money is complete, I send it to the hospital. I already raised ₦1 million from selling my dignity. And now you. So I still need an extra $1 million.
Don't worry, we'll figure out a way to save your mom and restore your dignity.
She's inside. She's coming.
Okay.
Hey, girl.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
What magic is going on here? Do you two know each other or something?
Yes, actually. We met, but something stole her away from me.
Wait, hold on. We've met before?
Yeah, but you were in a rush, so I doubt you remember my face. You told me the name they call, a couple in love at the beach.
Oh, okay, right. Oh my goodness, I
Yeah.
remember now. I am so sorry about how I left.
It's fine.
Oh my God, small world. Hi.
Right. I mean, you look so good. Damn.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
The only problem was you never told me your name or gave me your number.
Well,
Oh, her name, Mercy, aka Little Angel, and
I
he
see.
is Felix, aka Smooth Talker.
well, nice to meet you.
Same here. So nice to meet you again.
Same.
So, lovebirds, what's next?
You know what? Let me get your number.
Of course.
Oh gosh.
Oh, I guess she knows your number.
Call her, okay? Today.
I will. I definitely will.
All right, bye.
Bye. Bye.
What
Let's
is-
go.
What is wrong with
See, fine, but boy,
What kind of desperation?
That's
was
not
that?
desperation. That's called taking a bold step.
Girl, please.
You
to hell
please.
with your-
Guy, this one where this food sweet like this, you sure say you know washroom and yash put inside.
Your papa, they mad. When I dey follow my mom say enter kitchen go cook, where you dey? They follow those small girls. Now they say this food. Nah, real food be this.
But see, okay, see, on a more serious note, yeah. Be like say, I don't find somebody who have
No, on a more serious note, may I tell you my own story? Because your own story in a dream, not be real life.
Bro, are they serious now?
Me say if I serious past yourself.
Oh yeah. Give me your juice. Yeah.
That babe where I tell you about.
Which babe?
Oga, use your brain. How many babes I don't follow you talk?
Wait. The one where you see for
beach, exactly. Yeah, now they walk.
Hope say this time, you remember collect name and number.
You trust me now. Idi wine, her name is Little Angel.
Which mama they name him picking Little Angel?
Now waiting they name all these butty fine girls. No be all those all these inkita equins way they carry up and down. Little Angel, she dey stay for that block.
No. See, don't bother tell me the address. When you ready to go marry Little Angel, you go tell us as your guys. We go follow you, go the address.
Wahala.
Wait, make I give you my own gist there.
Wait, this your gist. No be for dream you get I don't want to hear your dreams.
Her name? Namara. Bro. She fine. She fine like 3 people.
Wait. Mara find like 2 people.
2 people.
Maybe mommy water be that.
Even if na mommy water, I no care. I don't go.
Smart. This thing where you talk now, no be something where they come out from your mouth. Maybe we carry you go do fasting and prayer with pastor.
Pastor need pray because they don't carry me go where I don't know. And I no even ready come back.
Bros, take am easy, I beg. Make I just advise you. Make mommy water no carry, abi make you no go meet mommy water. Shine your eye, I beg.
Alright, I did.
Come say my baby pass you on sha. Little angel.
And the name show me say the girl feel no fine. Cause which mama go name me pikin?
You want Amara, Igbo girl. We go do you strong thing. Dey play, you go see am.
Alright. Nice.
Welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you.
So what would you like to have?
We already had enough to eat and drink all day. I'm tired.
I mean, that shouldn't mean you shouldn't at least take water. I mean, this is the first time of you coming to my house.
Alright. Water it is then.
Water you shall have. Give me a minute. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We have a nice place. It's small, cozy, but really nice.
Thank you.
So, your mother used to stay here before she took ill?
No, she stays at the village. But after her operation, she will definitely be staying here because, you know.
Yeah. Right, she needs to be around someone who can actually take care of her.
Yeah.
So, how do you maintain this place?
You mean the rent?
Yeah, because it must be really expensive to maintain.
No, not really. It's like the only property my late father left for us before joining the great beyond.
He must have been a very hard-working man.
Yes, he was. Drink your water.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, you are so funny.
Am I?
Yes, you are. Oh my god.
You know, to me, I'm just a fool.
Oh goodness.
Trying to make it
Sorry.
in this maze called life. But professionally, like AY, I look up to him.
Oh wow, that's really cool. So what other things are you good at?
Well, I can't really brag up that I'm great at it, but I like poetry.
Poetry. Wow, that's interesting. Why do you like poetry?
You know, I'm surprised you even want to hear me talk about poetry.
Well, I'm curious.
Okay. Well, I like the fact that it allows you to experience the world from different people's perspective.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You can travel the world, juggle different emotions just with your mind and your heart.
Nice.
It's amazing.
So what other magic does it perform?
Okay, well, whatever you pen down has an influence on someone else. You see, most people don't understand poetry. Like when they read it, they just don't get it. But what they don't get is that it's not just for you.
Well, you have a point. You have a point. Yeah.
Like, seriously, he said that.
Yeah, it did. Who is she?
That's my cousin.
Okay.
Yeah. And even talking about that, she just told me that it's time for her cell meeting. She usually hosts cell meeting every Thursday, and I didn't even remember.
Okay. So, guess I'll be on my way.
I'm sorry. I'm enjoying your company so much. I don't want you to leave.
It's fine.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. I'll see you around.
Okay. Should I see you all?
Nah, it's fine, man. Let myself out. Take care. Ciao.
When you talk.
My guy.
My guy.
How fun?
I did, bro.
I just come back.
Yeah, man. I just did. How was your day now?
Bro, it was fantastic.
Aye.
I had a good time, man. How about you?
Aye, man. I had a good day. Superb, bro.
God is faithful, oh. Thank God.
Oh,
I gotta go bath.
Myself, I need shower, man. Easy.
Oh my gosh.
So, how's it going? It's been like, what, a month now?
I'm lost. What are you talking about?
I'm talking about your new friend, the one you spend time with on the beach.
Oh, you're talking about Felix, right?
I'm talking about Smooth Talker.
Well, I mean, he's a nice guy. I mean, he's real, he's genuine, and he's funny. I mean,
Exactly the kind of guy a mature lady should be going out with.
please don't even go that far. Just hold your horses right there.
I've not even come close. I'm already there. But if he asks you out, would you say no?
No, quite honestly, I don't even know. I don't know what I would say.
You like him. I mean, you said he's genuine and he's kind and he's this and that. My dear, use your head for once. Your heart has deceived you way too many times.
Yeah. I think he has some potentials in him.
Of course.
And that is the promise of a happy and would-be successful man.
Dad, were you eavesdropping on our conversation?
No, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. I only had the last line of it, and it sounds good to my ear, so I just felt, let me give my own as in take on it.
All right, Daddy. Are you going out?
Sure, to the club.
Oh, right.
My guys are already waiting for me.
Okay, Daddy.
Don't let me keep them waiting.
All right, take care, sir.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Mercy, I need to start going now.
You guys want to leave me all alone here?
I need to stop by that eatery to get ice cream for Theodora now. Well, you can come with me.
Nah, I have some things to do at home. So,
Okay.
I'll pass.
Take care, babes.
All right, babes.
And call me when you get to the beach. And you're with him.
Oh, please, go away.
Take care.
Bye.
Thank you so much. You've been nothing but wonderful to me and my mother. And you've not even met her for once.
It's nothing. So I'm hoping that I'm able to go to the hospital with you next week.
I don't want that to be a bother to you. I mean, I know how tight your schedule is, and I know that this week is like really out of it for you. So all we just need to do is send the money to the doctor's account or the hospital account, and that should be fine.
Sorry. Sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you.
You good?
Yes, I'm fine. So once we send the money to the hospital, I'm sure that before we or I get to the hospital, they must have commenced the operation on her.
Okay. Okay. Now next week.
Yeah. Yeah, no. What was that?
Somebody from my past. There's nothing you should be worried about, my love.
somebody from the past. Who?
Like I said, she's absolutely nobody you should be worried about. What's wrong?
I need to use the restroom.
Hi, babe.
Hi.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
You don't look too happy.
I'm good.
Hi, friends. I see you're enjoying your little adventure, right?
What do you want? Last time I checked, there's nothing connecting us together anymore.
Auntie Scammer, aren't you supposed to be in prison?
Wait, what are you talking about?
I see you've met your match.
Wait, where are you going?
If you really have an idea who she is, you would want her to leave right now and never come back.
Okay, Chloe, you have to stop this.
Me? Now, a little story about her. She is a scammer. And my cousin once fell for one of her well-plotted schemes.
Babe? Is this true?
Well, she was just being smart. A female version of, smart.
Alright. So, this story about your mom being ill, don't tell me it was a lie.
Mom's illness. I'm so happy you met her. For once, you met your match. A smart girl. Someone to outsmart smart. Smarter than you, your actions. See your life. Look at you now. What to eat? Madam, give me moi. 4.
Babe, what's wrong? Come on now, talk to me, I'm your friend. What's wrong? This is serious.
I almost got busted today.
Ewo, you got busted?
Like,
by who?
Is it not that personal CID to Clement?
Oh, Clement.
Mm-hmm.
That rich dude.
Yes.
That has an I too know cousin sister.
Exactly. If you see the way she just appeared like an evil spirit, yeah? And she was just vomiting nonsense. I felt like squeezing her neck together. Why today now? Today of all days. Couldn't she just wait till tomorrow? I was this close.
Sorry, calm down. No vex. Calm down, come off it. You'll be fine.
Where is baby now?
That one. She's out with her new catch one.
Okay.
But babe, come to think of it, think it's high time we rebuild our lives. Because we keep chasing good men that comes for us with this attitude of us. I think we need a change. We need to start afresh. Yeah? Eh? Amara. You heard me, right?
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take a new song. You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough
Father, I'm sorry. I'm done. I'm done being this person. I'm tired. Please forgive me.
For once, you met your match. A smart girl. Someone to outsmart smart. Smarter than you, your actions. See your life. Look at you now. Now a little story about her. She is a scammer. And my cousin once fell for one of her well-plotted schemes.
Baby? Is this true?
Well, she was just being smart. A female version of, smart.
This is a story about your mom being ill? Don't tell me it was a lie.
Fuck!
You're smart.
Oh, please.
No, for real.
You're whining me.
Is there anything you wear that doesn't look good?
Oh, what are you talking about?
Smart! My guy, how far now? I did. So, I think I wanted to introduce you to that babe I've been talking about. Smart. Mercy meets Smart. This is my guy, my longtime friend, my best friend actually. Smart, this is Mercy, the angel I've been telling you about,
Baby, please call me. There's so many things I'd like to tell you.
Not even the shortest version of any of your stories would I want to listen to.
You guys know each other before?
She's my girlfriend, the absolute love of my life.
Not anymore. Not since the last 5 months.
I've had enough.
Are you alright?
Don't you even dare. Not in this world or the next.
Listen.
He didn't.
Please come with me. You know you've always been my woman.
But you have never treated me as one, and my life is better off without you, so leave me alone.
Exactly.
Get your hands off me!
Leave her alone, you're hurting her. You can talk to her some other time.
And you, my friend, I have never known you in my life before.
I said, get your hands off me!
Leave her alone, leave her alone. What's wrong with you? Bro, that's enough. You're intruding, just leave.
Get out! Get out!
I said leave!
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take a new song. And you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing. All here.
Smart. Smart, why will you do this now? Has it come to this? Smart. Omo, it no make sense, so on top woman. Bro, yeah now, no vex now. Smart. When we talk now, man to man, we be guys. Smart. Don't be so you dey treat your guy, cause I no get house.
I know I'm the last person that you really want to see right now, but I just had to see you. Babe, I miss you. I miss you a lot. And I was just wondering if we could talk.
Listen, there is nothing more to be said.
Please, even if it's just for 5 minutes.
What do you want to say?
How I know I messed up. I knew you were gold and I really should have treated you better. And not put you through all the things that I put you through. Listen, I know better now and I'll do better.
Look, like I said, there is nothing more to be said. And I'm actually on my way out and I really have to go. I have to go. Just
Oh yes, thank you. I already spoke to him about us and we're really eager to see you. So whenever you're ready, baby.
I think we should see him after the Tuesdays.
Are you serious? Oh my God. So that means I have to finish my food quickly so we can go to church then. Yes. You don't want anything? Okay. Not bad. Excuse me.
Did I eventually?
I need to say hi to an old friend.
Oh, okay.
It's fine. Thank you. Hi. I know I'm the last person you want to see, but I want to apologize. I'm sorry for everything. I lived the wrong life and I'm not that person anymore. So I hope you can forgive me. Please.
Yeah. Good luck.
Thank you.
I'm sure I haven't told you this before, but it's true.
What's true?
That you're the right one for me.
Look, man, I'm sorry about everything.
Nah, it's fine. I'm sorry too. I lost what I had. And you found it. You should keep it. Good luck.
That's right. Nice smart.
Well, I see you've got a job now.
Well, I hope I don't lose it after that case.
Oh my God. You okay?
Yeah. Can I have your order now?
Oh my God, you're so silly. Well, you know, shush. You know my favorite.
I got you.
All right.
He knows, all right?
I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm this way. I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think